how to get free coins in Honeytoon. So if you want to get free coins in Honeytoon, then let's begin. So there are a few ways to get free coins in Honeytoon. First one is promotional offers. You need to keep an eye out for promotional offers from LINE WEBTOON. They sometimes offer free coins as part of app downloads, purchases, or other promotional activities. And the second one is treasure hunt. The treasure hunt feature within the app often has offers for free coins. These offers usually involve downloading and playing other apps or making purchases on websites. Next, we have WEBTOON Canvas. Some series on WEBTOON Canvas offers free coins for completing certain tasks or milestones. So the best thing to do is once you on your Honeytoon website, you're going to just go with the bottom and then try to follow their socials because they will sometime post giveaways. So if you're following them, then you will have a chance to earn those free coins. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.